In the middle of every crisis, there lies great opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and warm greeting to all of us. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ariel Sucipto, and I'm from Universitas Syah Kuala. Currently, I'm an industrial engineering in 6th semester, and today I would like to invite you to see a global problem with the different perspective, not as a crisis to fear, but as an opportunity to transform. Ladies and gentlemen, every year the world produces more than 400 million tons of plastic waste, yet less than 10% of it is successfully recycled. At the same time, the construction industry, which plays a vital role in shaping modern civilization, it's responsible for nearly 40% of global carbon emission. Cement production contributes around 8% of total carbon dioxide emission worldwide. There are two massive challenges. One continues to pollute our environment while the other accelerates climate change. But what if these problems are not separate? What if they are actually part of the same solution? From a system thinking perspective, plastic waste shall not be seen merely as an environmental burden. Instead, it can be understood as a research that has not yet been fully utilized. On the other hand, construction materials such as natural aggregates and cement require intensive extraction of natural resources and high energy consumption. This situation creates a unique opportunity where waste can be transformed into value. One promising approach is the utilization of the plastic waste as a partial replacement for aggregates in concrete. Properly, processed plastic materials have the potential to reduce the weight, improve the durability, and enhance the resistance to moisture. In addition, plastic can also incorporate into alternative cement composites. This can reduce dependency on conventional cements and significantly lower carbon emission. This approach doesn't only represent a technical innovation, but also reflects a shift forward a circular economy, where materials are continuously reused rather than discarded. The impact of this transformation is multidimensional. From an environmental perspective, it's helped reduce plastic pollution and greenhouse gas emission. From an economic perspective, it's turned low-value waste into valuable construction materials. From a social perspective, it's encouraged sustainable innovation and responsible industrial practice. This is clearly aligned with the global development priorities such as sustainable cities, responsible consumption, and also production and climate action. However, it is important to recognize that challenges still exist. Issues such as standardization, large-scale implementation, and also public acceptance require a strong collaboration between academia, industry, and also policymakers. Despite these challenges, the direction forward is clear. The future of construction shall not only focus on building stronger infrastructure, but also on building a more sustainable world. And in conclusion, plastic waste is not the end of the product life cycle. It can become the beginning of the new opportunity. By rethinking how we design materials and systems, we can transform one of the world's greatest environmental challenges into a meaningful solution for a sustainable development goals. Because true innovation is not only about creating something new, but also about transforming what already exists into something better. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.